You now have all the basic components to create simple but highly entertaining flash games, quizzes, puzzles, and other user interactions. The key now is to combine and integrate the code snippets that I've reviewed here in this tutorial with carefully animated movie clips and other graphics to create visually compelling games that are fun to play. The detect collision scripts together with the direction movement scripts can help you create chase games and shooter games that display detailed animations when objects like missiles strike their targets or zombies reach their victims. Don't forget about sound effects though. Often these little discussed elements can make or break a game. They can also save a lot of time and effort. For example, an explosion sound of a tank blowing up or a puzzle piece fitting into the correct slot can replace the need for a time-consuming animation of the same event. Human brains tend to fill in visual gaps if prompted with the correct input, like a carefully prepared and timed sound effect. This will save you the need to show every single action that you need to in your game. Add additional difficulty levels to your games by incorporating timers or speeding up gameplay or by adding more obstacles to be avoided. Adding more user options or controls almost always improves game playability. Use ActionScript's random number generator to add unpredictability and surprises to your games and to make them play differently each time a user hits the play again button. Even a small amount of randomness in your graphics and display objects or the speed and direction of the movements of these objects can add a lot of gameplay to your games. Show different explosions or play different sound effects randomly using the random number generator. Try to be as creative as you can. Don't forget to include scripts and ideas from other sections of this tutorial. For example, use scripts from the Manipulating Graphics chapter to shrink objects or change their position or color or opacity, or add filters to them when they cross a specified area of the stage or collide with another object. Load carefully animated external flash movies with different artwork when users reach the next level, or after a certain amount of time. This will keep your graphics fresh and also add interest for your users. Using any of these scripts will serve as an excellent review and also make your games more unique and novel. Sound effects, as I mentioned previously, always make a game more fun, but don't forget about music too. Don't make your games too easy, but also don't make them too difficult. Perhaps you want to start easy and then make things harder as the user learns the nuances of your game. Again, maybe have multiple levels that you've designed into your game. Most of all, just have fun, and remember, the more you script, the better you will become and the better your Flash games will get.